The whole goal of the digital chamber is to educate policymakers on digital assets and blockchain technology. It's hard to do that if you don't really understand the technology and you're not having conversations with the builders and the technologists behind it. The Linux Foundation has provided that opportunity for us at the Digital Chamber to have those conversations, to collaborate with them and to understand what are the regulatory issues that are impacting them on a daily basis. That has been extremely fruitful. And so being able to go then to Congress, to the administration, to regulatory agencies, and really explain the tech from the builder's perspective, explain the benefits of open source technology from the technologist's perspective, that is critically important, and you can't really get that anywhere else except the Linux Foundation. We've been members of the Linux Foundation for several years now, I think at almost 5 years now. And again, it's been critically important to have that resource where we can have open conversations with the developers, with those who are actually building. You can't get that in Washington. The builders don't live in Washington typically. And so having the Linux Foundation provide that platform where we can have conversations where they can be very candid and transparent, or giving us the opportunity to have one-on-one conversations and just having the Linux Foundation be that conduit, you can't get that anywhere else. And so there's only so much you can really say as not a technologist. I can go to DC and I can try to explain the technology as best I can. I can talk about the benefits. Where am I sourcing that from though? It's those who are building it. And so being able to have that platform where we can be their advocate, but only can get the talking points directly for them, it's critically important. So I look forward to being part of the Linux Foundation for many years to come. I look forward to being a continued part of their success. Events like the one we're at today at the Member Summit are so critically important as well, because then we get the FaceTime with the folks that we've been chatting with on calls and we've been building with for solutions of this technology. It's critically important. I really enjoy it.